We purchased a Flipbook kit from Andymation. It arrived and we are unboxing it. Nice blue box with the flip lid. The first thing here, could you open that up a little bit, just show what's in it? And some information, some pictures to show the progression in the drawing. So, helpful book. What's next there? Looks like the paper itself with the punched holes. No? Oh! That is the actual unit. So the tracing unit. It's got the little pegs on it. And then the light board. Alright. And then looks like there's a pencil in there. What's it say on there? Andymation Flipbook kit. And then how about under there? That's where the paper is, I bet. Yep. So there's 2 packs of paper. And another pack. So it's specially punched. And then they did include the Grumpy Cloud Flipbook. We've watched that on YouTube. We'll have to flip it ourselves. That'll be kind of fun, motivating. And then in there it is an eraser. And what's next there?
Charging cable.
Oh, I bet that's a power cord, yeah. So, could you open that up? Let's see what my understanding is. It'd be USB. Yeah. So, plug that into a charging port or a computer to power it on. And how about that last bag? I think that's the connectors to get the papers connected together. All right. So that is our Andymation Flipbook unboxing. We are excited to start using it. We could share some creation